Welcome back. So today for brunch, I'm going to have some of the chicken salad that I made with some Swiss cheese on some Wasa bread, and then a can of lentil and vegetable soup with a bit of Greek yogurt. And that's it. That is going to be lunch. And I think, as long as I'm still feeling okay, I think I'm going to do the Skinny Taste Gina's fish Florentine for dinner. I had taken out a cod fillet, and I think that's what I'm going to do with that. So hopefully I'm still feeling okay come dinner time, and we'll go from there. Welcome back for dinner. Okay, so yes, I was going to do fish Florentine, but I've decided no. I am just going to, this is my cod. I'm going to just put this in the air fryer and cook it like that. And then I'm going to make up a bit of a piccata sauce, which is just a lemon caper sauce. So I will link to the recipe that you could use if you wanted to do this the proper way. I'm not going to dredge this and pan fry it. I'm just going to cook it in the air fryer. But I will put a recipe in the description box. And the piccata sauce is basically just a chicken broth, capers, lemon juice, and normally fresh parsley, but I don't have any, so I'm going to use some dried parsley. I'm also going to put a little bit of the kinders in there. Then I have some couscous. This is a bag I picked up at Big Lots. Well, I can't show you. I thought it had the ingredients on the outside, but oh, there we go. Couscous, tomato, sunflower seeds, garlic, red pepper, onion, cumin, mint, chili, and coriander. So that is what is in here. And I think I'm just going to go ahead and cook the rest of what's in the bag. And I'll just have some left over. And then I have some asparagus. I'm just going to steam that and have that with some lemon herb butter. And that will be dinner.